Hi, welcome to OpenSimulator. My name is Hao. In this video, I'm going to introduce you some basic skills of creating 3D objects in OpenSimulator by using Firestorm viewer. So now we are on an empty island here. This is an island especially designed for us. So we're going to create some very simple basic 3D objects. To do that, we can just simply click the menu button. Here we click the build menu button, and then we select the first option, build. A new window will be popped out. Here you can see we have some basic 3D objects on the new window. If you do not see these basic objects, just simply click this create button. Click here. Probably you see these things here. If you see these things, just click the fourth button on the top of the window, create, and then you will see these 3D objects that you can create in OpenSimulator. To create any object, it is very simple. Just to click the object that you want to create, and then move your mouse to the place in the scenario that you want to where you want the object to be created, and simply click your mouse. Yeah, that's it. So now we have a 3D cube in the scenario, and we can create even more. Now we have two cubes here. We can try something different. Let's try a sphere. Now we have a sphere in the scenario. Okay, that's it.